Good morning. Welcome to our Disney travel day. We just got through security here in Detroit and we have about 20 minutes before we start boarding for our flight to Chicago, where we have a layover, and then we will be heading to Orlando after that, and we are both super excited. Didn't get much sleep, but that's okay. We had to leave the house at 4:30 and I was just finishing up some last minute things last night, and yes, I cannot wait to be at Disney World this afternoon.
I made it!
Say it one. We made it to Orlando. We had a really incredible flight from Chicago to Orlando. For this trip, we used Mears Connect, and this will probably be my last time using Mears. We did not have the best experience, and I'm always going to be honest on my channel. I did not really like our driver. In the shuttle van, we didn't have a bus. I just feel like those aren't that safe for Franklin because they don't offer a car seat or a booster seat for a toddler. And his just attitude and some of his comments he made were just not very appropriate or very kind of family friendly. And we flew Southwest, so we had to go to the other terminal to get onto Mears. After we arrived to the Riviera, we headed to Riva to have lunch. We were both starving. We really didn't eat much during the day, and it was probably around 2 o'clock when we arrived at the Riviera. Franklin got the coconut hibiscus drink as a little special welcome drink to vacation, and then I got a margarita. Both of our drinks were really good.
That's a pizza.
Yeah, Franklin got the kids' cheese pizza with a side of French fries. How is it, Franklin?
Good.
Is it good? And I got the grilled vegetable skewer. This is one of my favorites.
Cheese, french fries.
Cheese pizza and French fries. That looks so good. How was it? Yummy. This looks so good. This is definitely one of my favorite plant-based options at Disney World. I just love the pita with the quinoa and the grilled vegetables. It's so good. So if you're looking for a vegetarian or vegan option, highly recommend this. And you can also get this dish at Primo Piatto. We really enjoyed having lunch at Riva, the perfect way to start our trip. Hello from Disney's Riviera Resort. We just finished lunch at Riva. Our room isn't quite ready yet, so we are just waiting for that. It's a little after 3:30 right now, but lunch was so good at Riva. That was my first time dining there. It's definitely super good. Donald's here.
Donald is fishing with the boy.
Oh, he's not here. Franklin, and go say hi. That our room is ready. It's about 4:15, so I was getting a little worried since it was after 4, but we are in the West Ring, so we are gonna find our room. That's for cast members. Let's see, I think we are down here. Ooh, we're on the 3rd floor. I'm just glad we're not ground level. That was my concern with Franklin. We're right here. This is our room.
Which one is that?
We are staying in a tower studio at Disney's Riviera Resort, and so I'm going to do a little room tour. When you walk into the room, over here you have a microwave, and then down in this cabinet is a little fridge, which is nice to have. I'm glad it's not a beverage cooler. And then over here we have some real plates and bowls, paper towels, even real silverware. Wine opener, can opener, toaster, extra pillows and blankets. and then some glasses and ice bucket, and then we have some drawers down here on the side of the bed. And so this couch is a Murphy bed, so this is where we will be sleeping. And then we have a table, little console area, and then our TV. And we have a balcony, and we have a view of the Skyliner. Oh my gosh, this view is spectacular. Even though there are some cranes over there, we have a full front view of Epcot. How amazing is this? And then there are 2 chairs out here on the little balcony, so we will be enjoying that. So we're gonna head back inside. This room is very small, but it is perfect for 2 people. And we have a full-length mirror here, and then here is our bathroom. So we have a gorgeous shower. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a tub, but that's fine. My toddler will take a shower. And this is beautiful. The shower is huge. The little bench area. And then we have the H2O body products. And then we have a full sink over here. We still have the Disney H2O products. And we also have a full mirror here.
Bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom. And then down here, oh, that's just the cabinet. Oh, and over on this area, which is right next to the Murphy bed and sofa, we do have a Keurig and some K-cups. And then a little sitting area. You gonna sit there? Okay, go ahead. No, don't touch the phone.
Hello, what's emergency?
And we have a window right here that overlooks the Skyliner and the water. This is beautiful. I absolutely love this room, even though it is on the smaller side. And I missed that there's a closet in the bathroom, and there's plenty of shelves in here, hangers, extra pillow and blanket.
And transform into a bed.
I'm gonna try to do this one-handed and pull this Murphy bed down. Watch out, Frankie.
Oh, it turned into a bed.
Woo, we did it.
Oh, it turned into a bed.
Yeah, this is our bed for our trip.
Let me climb it up.
Look at the detail. Who is that? Is that Peter Pan Wendy?
Oh.
Franklin just turned on the light, so that lights that up. That is perfect for us while we are sleeping. And there are cubby holes on the side that have plugs and USB outlets on both sides of the bed, which is really nice. This is what the Murphy bed looks like pulled down. So you do have to push those ottoman cushions out of the way. But we still have plenty of space on the side for the desk area with the Keurig machine. So I think this is a really great room, and I definitely will report back about our stay, especially with a 3-year-old. And I'm just so excited to stay in this room. I absolutely love our tower studio room, and I'm so excited that we are going to be able to see the fireworks at Epcot tonight. Our view is incredible. I just wish that those cranes weren't there, but that is okay. I just called Bell Services to bring up our luggage, and then I'm going to take a quick shower because whenever I travel, I just like to take a shower whenever I get to wherever I'm staying, freshen up, and then go explore some of the resort. And then we have dinner tonight at Topolino's at 8:30, and I think it's just gonna be a really nice, relaxing resort evening tonight. Franklin and I freshened up. We both took showers, changed, and I feel so much better after traveling all day. Feel clean, refreshed, and ready to enjoy the Riviera this evening. It's about 6:45, and our Topolino's reservation is at 8:30. So I think the plan is to just kind of walk around, explore some of the Riviera, maybe do some of the activities here, and then head to Topolino's for dinner. So that is our plan this evening. just been exploring Riviera. We spent a lot of time outside in the courtyard here. We had to wait for some of the games to open up. It was definitely a very busy time to go to the area, but we played like the Connect 4 game, some cornhole. We tried bocce ball, but was not. And now we are gonna get ready to head up to the 10th floor to Topolino's for dinner. On our way to dinner, we stopped at the community hall, which offers so many great activities for the family to do. This is perfect, especially on a rainy day. And this space was beautiful, so we did some coloring. And at the community hall, you'll find different activities that are available for purchase, different crafts and things that you can make. Next, it was time to head up to Topolino's for our dinner reservation. This was my first time dining here for dinner. We have done the character breakfast before, but I was really excited to try it for dinner because I heard amazing things. We started out with epi bread, and this bread, I liked it, but Franklin did not like it. I think he just thought it was too hard and it was hard for him to chew. But the olive oil was some of the best olive oil that I have had. To drink, I ordered the Reviver No. 2 cocktail. This is a gin-based cocktail. If you love gin, I highly recommend this cocktail. It was so good. It was bright, citrusy, very lemony. For Franklin's dinner, he ordered the grilled chicken with the mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes look so creamy. For my dinner, I ordered the sea scallops with English pea risotto. This was so good. I never had scallops before, but I thoroughly enjoyed this meal and it was really good. Franklin and I are back from dinner. Dinner was interesting, to say the least. We had so much fun walking around the Riviera before our dining reservation, but we went up to Topolino's about 8 o'clock and we were able to check in at 8:10 for our 8:30 reservation, and we were sat within a couple of minutes. So glad that we went to Topolino's for dinner. Everything was incredible. My cocktail was probably the best cocktail I've ever had. It was so good. If you love gin, I'm a big gin person if I'm gonna have a cocktail. Reviver No. 2 was so good. It was floral, you have the citrus notes and lemony, so good. And then I got the sea scallops, and that was actually my first time having scallops, and I really enjoyed that. So I'm glad that I gave them a try. And Franklin loved his kids' meal, but he got the kids' grilled chicken with mashed potatoes, and he basically inhaled the mashed potatoes, and then he probably ate a quarter of the grilled chicken before he literally fell asleep right next to me. So that was okay, but he was really looking forward to having ice cream all day, and I promised him ice cream at dinner because at Topolino's you can get gelato with a kids' meal, vanilla or chocolate, and he was so looking forward to that, and he fell asleep. But luckily, our server, she wrapped it up for me to bring back to the room. So I knew he was probably gonna wake up when I had to move him from the booth and put him in the stroller and walk back to our room at Riviera. So he would be so disappointed if he didn't get his ice cream for the day, because I promised him ice cream all day long because I didn't want to get him a sweet treat knowing that he could get ice cream at dinner. So he is enjoying that right now.
I'm wet.
Yeah, you're Franklin. Yeah, are you ready for bed?
Yeah, that's the way part.
I just wanted to do a recap on our Disney travel day. I had so much fun. I really wish that I would have vlogged more. I've honestly vlogged as much as I could. Sometimes I just want to enjoy the moments with my toddler and not have to be constantly recording. And then sometimes it's just honestly too difficult to try to record and try to think about content when it's just you and your toddler and he comes first. Obviously, the content doesn't. I love sharing content here on my channel, but sometimes it has to take a back seat and I have to focus on my toddler and his needs and what he's doing. So there are times that I wish I could have filmed more, like at dinner at Topolino's. I kind of wanted to record more of our dining experience, the restaurant, and the whole thing, but honestly he was so tired and he ended up falling asleep at dinner, so it was just too much. So I did record a little bit, as much as I possibly could, and that is okay with me. But we are back in bed, we're in our jammies. Franklin fell asleep finally. We talked to my mom and dad. He really misses them and wishes that they were here with us. All of our past Disney trips, we've gone with my parents. So he's a little sad and he's wondering where they are, where their bags are when they are getting here. And so it's kind of bittersweet. But they will be with us on our next Disney trip. But it's been a really great day. I love coming to Disney. I love staying at the Riviera. It's one of my favorite Disney resorts. So we are just having such a great time. And I thought it'd be really fun to wrap up the video and each Disney vlog by sharing a few of my favorite things from the day. And one of my favorite things from the day is definitely lunch at Bar Riva was amazing. It was so good. I definitely loved that. And after our lunch, we went back into the lobby and then we ran into Chip and Dale and Daisy, and Franklin absolutely loves meeting characters. He would spend hours with the characters. He loves giving them hugs. Is so interactive with the characters, and so that was definitely a highlight of the day for me. And then just getting to experience the Riviera. This resort is incredible and I love our room. We are in the Tower Studio and I'm really impressed. I love our view. This is perfect for 2 people. And so that is definitely a favorite thing. And then dinner at Topolino's was also really good, even though it was a little bit of a struggle with Franklin because he was so tired. But the food was really good. My cocktail was amazing. Top notch. It was so good, and I debated on getting a drink or not, but I was like, I really want to try it. I love gin. Definitely recommend that one. But I think that's gonna wrap up this video, and I will see you in the next Disney vlog. Tomorrow I'm probably going to divide the vlog up into 2 different videos. The first part will be a Disney Riviera Resort day. We are just spending the day at Riviera, doing the splash pad, probably having breakfast at Primo Piatto, just hanging out here. And then we are going to Magic Kingdom in the afternoon for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So I don't want to combine the 2 into one video, so they probably will be 2 separate videos. And I cannot wait for the Halloween party. I think it's going to be so much fun. And Franklin's going to have a blast, so I just cannot wait to see him experience that. So I think that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for coming along on this adventure with me. And until our next Disney day, bye!